Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining in on Bronco Fast. I got some pretty exciting news with the Pulsar. We're gonna have a little fun with this car here coming up soon in August. And just kind of want to tell everybody about it because I was super excited that I got in. But before we do that, hit that subscribe button, hit the like, let me know what you think of this video because it's gonna be pretty fun. As you can see here, we got the Pulsar GTi-R. And I don't know if some of you saw and follow Cletus, but Cletus McFarland, but he's a local, pretty popular YouTuber, and he owns the Freedom Factory, which is the old DeSoto Speedway.
07 Taylor Ray, he has pulled his Crown Vic into the infield.
Bowman is very smooth. Look at him just drop in, riding side saddle with Tanner. Tanner taking the higher line, drops into formation there as Bowman in third. Travis sneaking around the backside.
Speaking of
and has really made some efforts to make that track back to what it used to be, which is really cool because I used to work there when I was 16. I used to work at the track doing the concession stand and got to watch all the racing every weekend. So it was a lot of fun. It's gonna be cool that he does all these things here. But what's really cool is that the newest race that he's got going on is at the Freedom Factories in August. It's the Ranger Danger, and a bunch of Ford Rangers are going to go out and race for a brand, or, you know, not a brand new one, but a very nice old Ranger, which is going to be really cool. But on the other side, they're doing a spectator drag race around the oval.
And they're off. And the Audi with the jump on the outside. Can the Mustang hang on the inside? And the Mustang's going to get the advantage for the corner on the inside. That's Tyler Jennings with the lead. Now the Audi going to catch him on the outside. Jesse Jennings going to try to take the lead on the high side. He'll take it way out wide. And the Mustang's
And I figured, you know what? You know, it'd be great for the channel and awesome to do and get back on that track. It's been so long since I've been there. Was enter in to try and get in there and take home the $1,500 prize. So me and the old girl here, the old Pulsar, we did get accepted. I registered for the event and got chosen as one of the cars that gets to compete. So I am super excited for this. This is going to be so much fun. A little worried on the format just because, you know, I really like this car and I don't know how the format's going to be. Are we going to be starting, you know, one person here, one person at the track, and we both go around together and the one person that finish line wins? Or are we going to go 2 by 2 and try to race each other? Because I have seen these a lot before and some people get rowdy. And I don't want anything to happen to my old girl here because I really like this car. And parts are not easy to find if something happens. So I am a little nervous about that. But I'm super excited to be able to race at the Ranger Danger over at the Freedom Factory. I think it's gonna be awesome for the channel. You know, I'm gonna go ask Cletus if he wants to, you know, maybe mentor me a little bit or give me some tips and hints because I'm not shy. I'm just excited to be there and be part of the event and, you know, get the car out there because hopefully I'm the only right-hand drive guy out there, which will be really fun because I'll get real close to the wall. And I got another friend who got chosen as well, who has a really nice track pep at S2000 that's gonna be joining. So we're gonna have a blast at this. I can't wait. I'm super excited. It's in August. So I'll be getting the car ready for that. She's ready to go now, but I did order some new parts that are on the way that I've been waiting for. I got a Recaro pole position seat, which is on back order. I've been waiting like 3 weeks for that right now, but I did get a new part in that came in, when did it come in? A couple days ago. So check this out. It's the planted seat base for the driver's side to put on that Recaro pole position. Bam. Came all nice and in the box here. Boop, boop. There it is. Really nice piece. So I'm really excited That'll be going in the driver's side here. We'll be replacing this, this you know, couch cushion here we've got. I know I say couch cushion, but it's not. It's a nice little seat, but it is a little not hold you in. So I got to get that seat replaced. So again, man, I'm super excited about this race. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. It'll be my first little event here in the Pulsar, and you know, hopefully get the channel name out there to a lot more people. And I'm just excited to be part of an event like this, because I heard they're crazy, they get wild, and they get super busy, and just a lot of fun. Everybody has a lot of fun at these events. So be on the lookout for the Bronco Fast Pulsar GTi-R. Being part of the you know, the Ranger Danger at the Freedom Factory. So I'm super excited. Thanks again for watching today. Join in on the fun, hit the subscribe button, be part of the Bronco Fast family, and I'll see you on the next video. Bronco Fast.